welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another G4Free haul. I loved the leggings from last time, so when they reached out to me to want to do another video, I was super excited to get some more products and share them with you guys. I am really excited about this stack of leggings that I have here. If you're unfamiliar with the brand, they are an Amazon-based legging workout active wear brand. So high quality, y'all. They're so soft. I have been using the leggings that I have for so much recently. Grocery shopping, going to Pilates, going to yoga, lounging around the house, going to the gym, taking the dog for a walk, and I love them. I decided to get some neutral colors this round. Last time I got some really fun pink ones that I love, but I wanted to get some more neutral ones so that I could wear them even more often. They do have an awesome Black Friday sale that will be happening soon, so definitely check that out. I will have the links and sizes and colors for all of these down below, but let's go ahead and dive in. First pair that we have here are these. These are just a regular boot cut. They feel so much like the Lululemon ones. They're super stretchy, and I love that they are thin, but they're not too thin. They're not see-through at all. They're compressive, but not in a way that's uncomfortable, but just to where they keep everything in. They have super deep pockets, and something that I really appreciate about these is that they have another pocket on the inside so that you can put something small that's, you know, a little bit more important and it's not gonna fall out of your pants, which I really appreciate. And then they are just really soft. I feel like they're really flattering. They are a very nice material, like I've said. So they're really comfortable for going to the gym or just lounging around the house. And I feel like they're a good versatile pair of leggings, and I really like these, especially for the price. These are killer. Next up we have these, and look at this fun color. I don't know exactly what they called it, but it's kind of like a light toffee brown, kind of like a taupe, and this is also buttery soft, but almost in like a cooling way. This is just super soft. These are more of like a jogger kind of sweatpant cinched waist here. It does have the deep pockets. Again, these are a little bit more narrow. They aren't quite as wide as the other ones, and they don't have that like secret pocket, but these are a flare or like a straight cut, and they're so comfortable. These are probably my favorites. I am just super happy with these. I think I'm gonna be picking these up in a few other colors as well. Next up we have these, and these are like a true flare legging. These remind me of like the good old days of Victoria's Secret Pink when they had like the fold over leggings. I'll put pictures up, but y'all know what I'm talking about. And these are just that, but way better. These are like what we wanted that to be. So they're very tight around like the thigh and the knee area, and then they flare out so they make your legs look super long. They are that same really nice material, super stretchy, and these don't have pockets. Since they're tight, it's not gonna add any bulk to your body. So I really like these. I do also want to mention, one of the things that I really appreciate is that they all have the tearaway tags. I love that. You just rip it off, no scissors needed. Amazing. Next up, we have these. These are a similar but slightly darker brown, and they're a different material than the other ones. These are the kind of like trouser style pant. So you could totally wear these and dress them up. They are super soft. These are a little bit more of like a cooling material than the other ones, and they are also just a wide leg pant. They do have the pockets. They do not have the secret pocket, but they're just really comfortable. I like how they feel. I like how they fit. They are a nice level of stretch to where you can sit comfortably, but again, they'll keep everything where it's supposed to be. So you could wear these for working out, or you could totally dress these up for a more casual look. I think these look really good with like a fun graphic tee and some sneakers and like a baseball cap, because it's very casual but very comfortable, and trousers are super in right now, so I feel like these are a comfortable way to wear that trend. Last but certainly not least, I decided to pick up a pair of their Fleece Lined because winter is on its way, and I wanted to have something super, super warm for if we go skiing or go visit my in-laws up in Seattle, and these are perfect. So these are the same material, they're super stretchy, but the inside is lined with fleece. So soft, y'all, so soft. They're definitely thick, they're nice and heavy, and they are a wide leg, super flattering pant. These do have the deep pockets. They do not have the secret pocket. I think especially because they're thick, they keep everything together, but they'll also keep the warm in. So even though they're a wide leg pant, they're not going to let a bunch of cold air run up your legs, which like I hate that feeling. So these are awesome. I'm probably gonna pick these up in another color as well. And if they have a skinny version, I will be doing that to wear under ski pants or extra warm weather when it gets really cold, which it won't down here because I live in Southern California. It's like 95 degrees outside. But when I visit other cold places, this is going to be amazing. So those are all of my G4Free leggings. If you are interested in trying any of them out, definitely take advantage of their Black Friday deals because they are so good. Like I said, I will leave everything linked down below so you can shop easily there. I appreciate that they have different inseam lengths because I am not a tall girl. I'm only 5'6", but I have very long legs and a very short torso. So I appreciate that I can get pants that fit my legs nicely. So if you are a short gal, if you are a short-legged gal, if you are a super long-legged gal, they have options for you. Everything comes in a lot of very beautiful colors. They have a wonderful color palette and they have tons and tons of different options, and the deals are amazing. Plus their prices are already so good. So I will leave links, like I said, down below so you can go ahead and try them out. Thank you so much to G4Free for sending me these leggings. I really appreciate it, and I love working with y'all. If you already purchased or you own any of these leggings, let me know what your experience have been and which ones you have, because I love to try out new ones. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. I always appreciate having you here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!